Hi guys! This is our second day in Armenia and we decided to mag-tour today. So our first stop is the Temple of Garni. So Temple of Garni is one of the tourist attraction in Armenia in the village of Garni. According to some scholars, this temple is actually a tomb and not a temple. The Temple of Garni collapsed in an earthquake on 1679 and rebuilt between 1969 to 1975. Hello guys, so we are here now in Temple of Garni. Ito ang aming first stop. This is a pagan temple. So this is my second time here. So una ako nagpunta rito nung 2018, February. So winter din. So ang ganda siguro dito ng spring kasi parang ang daming mga punong namumulaklak. Yan, nag-i-snow pa rin. Parang kami lang ang tao dito ah.
Let's dance. Let's dance.
So wala ka namang gano'ng makikita dito. Pero kasama kasi siya sa tour. So we are here now in our second destination, Geghard Monastery. Geghard Monastery is a medieval monastery in the Kotyk province of Armenia. The monastery was partially carved out of the adjacent mountain surrounded by the cliffs. The main chapel of the monastery was built in 1215, while the monastery complex was founded in 4th century by Gregory Illuminator. The monastery was famous because they believed that the spear that wounded Christ on the cross was allegedly brought here by Apostle Thaddeus, from which comes its present name Gegharda Bank, which means the monastery of the spear. So itong monastery daw na to ay kinerve lang sa isang malaking bato na part ng bundok. Pero itong
pinasok natin kanina, kinerve siya sa bundok ng bato.
Ay, ito pala yung ginagawa natin. Ito hindi kaya ako madulas to eh. Elsa, do you wanna build a snowman? You wanna build a snowman? Yung mga hindi nagawa ng mga bata.
Oh! Yeah, we are here now in the area, sa place ng Lake Sevan. Pero grabe.
Savannah Bank Monastery is a monastery complex located in the Lake Sevan in Gegharkunik province of Armenia. Monastery was founded in 874 by Princess Mariam, the daughter of Ashot, the future king of Armenia.
Halos walang makita. Halos hindi mo na makita yung yung lake. So, sobrang lakas ng snow. Diyan sa part na yun may meron na dapat view ng lake. Pero dahil sobrang lakas ng snow, halos wala ka nang makita. So, ayan na yung lake. Pero walang makita.
Oh. Where? Ayan? Lake na yan?
Lake yan.
Ay, oo nga. Hindi ba pwedeng bumaba?
Hindi ko alam kung saan ang way.
Hindi ngayon.
Salbahe ka. Ito po ang mga bata naglalaro ng snow. Huwag niyong paambunan ng inyong mga bumbunan. Baka kayo sipunin.
No, we will not. We'll never get sick.
Ayan po ang nagawa nilang snowman.
Obese po siya, obese. Obese po siya, type 2. Pati paa. Paa mo ba? Yan. May manang po na nagagalit sa amin kasi gumagawa kami ng snowman. Yan. Video mo brasa. Ibabasa ko sa
Kemal, von Hase ist
Hello guys, so we are here now in our last destination. This is Kecharis Monastery here in Sagkadsor. Wow. Guys, oh halos sintaas na sila ng bewang ko. Oh. Naging puti na yung bubong nila, oh.
Wala akong cabin zero.
Hello guys, tingnan nyo, oh, puting-puti sila. Yung puti ng budhi ko.
Yan naman. O, duman ka na dyan. Tingnan natin kung lulubog yung amo. Hindi.
Lulubog ka, ang lambot eh.
May nag-attempt ko.
May tao ba sa loob?
Wala.
Para makita lang gano'ng kakapal yung yelo. Wow! Oh! Grabe! Ang kapal ng yelo, oh.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our episode today. Don't forget to like and follow me in this account to see more of my future travel adventures.
Salbahe ka!